A British statistician E.F. Schumacher famously said, "An ounce of practice is generally worth more than a ton of theory." Well, I think both are equally important. Even if you disagree, we still need to practice matrix multiplication. There's no escaping that. Take a set of matrices A and B. Now, if we want to find the product AB, we must first determine whether multiplication is even doable by stating the matrices orders. Just like so, here we have the order of matrix A and the order of matrix B. Okay, so what's next? Well, in our last lesson, we came to the conclusion that if the second and third numbers of these orders are equal, then multiplication is quite possible. And that is precisely what we have here. Not only that, but we also learned that the first and fourth numbers of these orders predict the order of the resulting matrix, which is AB in our case. Okay, great. Now since this final matrix will be of the order 2 by 2, we'll build an empty matrix with 2 rows and 2 columns. As a result, we'll have 4 open positions to fill. This is the first row, first column. The first row, second column. The second row, first column. And finally, the second row, second column. Now that was a mouthful. Let's get on with our multiplication, shall we? Take the first row of A and multiply it by the first column of B. We get 1 multiplied by -1 plus 3 multiplied by 3. Now, just multiply the same row of A with the second column of B. 1 by 0 plus 3 by 2. See what I did there? When I multiply the first row of A by the first column of B, the result is placed in the first row of the resultant matrix AB. It is also known as the 1-1 position or the top left position. Similarly, the result of the first row, second column is placed at the 1-2 position or at the first row, second column of the resulting matrix AB. Now we follow the same steps for the second row as well. Take the second row of A and multiply it with the 2 columns of B 1 by 1. 2 multiplied by -1 plus -3 multiplied by 3 and 2 by 0 plus -3 by 2. That's it. The rest is just simple math. You have seen it all before. -1 plus 9 is 8, 0 plus 6 is 6, -2 minus 9 is -11 and 0 minus 6 is -6. Lo and behold, this is the resultant matrix AB of a 2 by 2 order, just like we predicted. And that's a wrap. So far, you have seen 2 practice solutions for matrix multiplication. But that's not enough. If you want to be an expert at this, you'll have to solve a lot more problems. Remember, the more you do it, the simpler it gets.